Today, I'm pleased to introduce the new Android version of PALO framework Toolbox. This release transforms PALO Mobile into complete, local-first companion app for responsible AI governance. A new guided onboarding experience helps users identify the right starting path based on their decision, role, and life cycle stage. The app now provides access to 16 connected PALO modules. Each module clearly explains its purpose, required inputs, recommended action, decision gate, and expected evidence. Complete tools, including assessment path, FRIA, risk tiering, agentic governance, and KPI KRI generation, are available directly on the device, even offline. Users can also manage AI cases, assign accountability, collect evidence, and export reviewable use cases. No account, analytics, or internet connection is required. Data remain local and under user control. PAL Mobile is no longer a simplified toolbox, it's a practical workspace for turning responsible AI principles into accountable decision and evidence.